What's up, guys? We're back. So just want to give a quick update to everybody who reached out to me and got their trees on order for bro call. I have some good news. It looks like we might be getting our trees early next week. So expect an email. We should be getting them sometime next week, and then we'll have to kind of coordinate where to meet and things like that. So good news for everybody as of right now. So right now I'm just kind of out in my backyard checking out all the flowers that we got, and this is my Ettinger. It's got lots of flowers, but as of right now there's no fruit set. I've looked around on a lot of my other avocados also that are flowering, and some of them have a lot of flowers, some of them have not that many, but what I've noticed is I don't have any fruit set yet. So a little concerned. If you guys are in Corona, Norco, kind of Riverside area, and you got avocados in your backyard and they are flowering, if you have fruit set, comment down below. I'm just kind of curious if anybody else is getting some fruit already. I certainly have been looking, but nothing has set so far. So this one is flowering nicely, but nothing. So let's go check out some other varieties real quick. So this is the Jan Boyce, and same thing. There's flowers, but nothing has set. So one thing that I did notice is that I don't see that many bees around, so I'm a little concerned. Maybe all of the bees are not hanging around, so we'll see. So I have citrus trees right next to my avocados, and last year it wasn't really a problem. And I noticed some of them have already set, so that's a good thing. But I don't know if, since we're not getting avocados set, maybe something else is going on. We did have a really wet winter, and temperature swings have been kind of erratic lately. I mean, we actually had snow here, which was odd. So this is my Hass, and the flowers are kind of coming out late also, which is kind of odd. So we're already like, this is like April 20th, which is kind of late. Last year we already had some fruit set by this time, so we'll just have to continue to monitor. But you know, considering we had snow for just an hour and then it melted away. I mean, I'll do some footage here so you can actually see it, but it's officially snowing here. It's crazy. It was actually crazy for me to see that, because we don't get snow very often, and I know some of the folks who get snow regularly, it's probably not a bigger deal, but for me, it's, and where we're at, it's really kind of a treat. So we still have Hass fruit that we've been enjoying, which is a good thing, but I'm just looking forward to this year and hoping that everything is gonna start progressing. So hopefully you guys are doing good. Just sharing some of the good news. I know that you guys have been patiently waiting, and I know that I've been excited about this order also, because I got Malumas, and I was able to kind of talk my way to getting some. So excited about getting Maluma on Dusa and getting it delivered next week. So some of the folks who actually got in on it and have reached out to me, I have already emailed you guys, and you guys have already been locked in. So let's plan for some time next week. All right, talk to you guys later. See ya.